Amazon is riling up Amazon sellers because they're changing all the fees. Hint, they're raising them. Again. TLDR, fulfillment fees increase. Here's what we know so far, the bad. Amazon is charging additional fees for FC, that's fulfillment center, transfer. I sold my Amazon brand. That's right, I've been losing money on my Amazon brand.
I see what you did.
Fees going up. So you send these glass bottles into Amazon, and you pay them to do the prep work, and they put the bubble wrap around it, they slap the FNC sticker on it, and then what do they do after that? They freaking ship it out in padded envelopes. And you're scratching yourself, and you're like, what the frick? I've got hot sauce everywhere. And all of my customers are pissed off. That's a true story, by the way. So you go back to focusing just on Amazon, but then the Amazon fees going up again, and you're like, maybe I should diversify, but last time I did, it didn't work out very well. Amazon's low inventory fees are ridiculous.
That was actually not supposed to be a bad pun. And then disclosure.
Your new Amazon fees got you sweating? Oh.
That's really good.
And Solar Support responds back in the classic way, we cannot answer this question.
That was actually not supposed to be a bad pun.